This is a Toyota RAV-4 hybrid that has damage on rear left quarter panel and door. Ideally, you'd want to replace the whole quarter panel, but our customer wanted to save money and we decided to get it fixed. First, I need to take everything off. I then put it on the frame machine mounts to make sure it doesn't move. After removing the rear door, I weld the metal plate to the edge. I'll be pulling the metal in two directions at the same time. After getting the structure fixed, my next step is spot welding.